Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix. You will need the official WhatsApp to log in here on your device. So if you are facing such type of issue, then it means that you are using the modded or unofficial version of WhatsApp, such as GB WhatsApp, FM WhatsApp, Yo WhatsApp, or WhatsApp Plus, or various other things like that. Now to fix it quickly and safely, you have to watch this video till the very end. The first thing which you can do is that you just need to switch to WhatsApp official account. So you just need to go to Play Store or App Store on your device, and you just need to search the WhatsApp app. So this is the original version of WhatsApp. You will see the option of WhatsApp Messenger, WhatsApp LLC, and all of it. So you just need to simply download this app, and you just need to log into your WhatsApp account by using your country code and your number. So after this, you just need to restore your chats on WhatsApp again, and you just need to verify your phone number. And from next time, you just need to avoid using the WhatsApp in the future. So by doing all of it, you may also talk with the WhatsApp support team from your official WhatsApp account. They will also fix the error of you need the official WhatsApp to log in on your WhatsApp. So that's it. That's how you can fix the issue. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.